Car won't start, battery's dead, and now you're staring at that 12-volt charger wondering, okay, but how long is this actually going to take? Well, good news. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how long your battery will take to charge, whether you've got a slow trickle charger or a fast 10-amp beast. Most car batteries take 4 to 12 hours to fully charge with a standard 12-volt charger. A slow charger at 2 amps usually takes around 10 to 24 hours. A medium charger, like 4 to 6 amps, will generally take 6 to 10 hours. A fast 10-amp charger brings it down to 2 to 5 hours, but that's only if the battery is healthy, and that's a big IF. So let's break it down properly. Think of charging a battery like filling a bucket with water. Battery capacity is the bucket size. Most car batteries are 50 to 70 amp hours, so the bigger the battery, the more time it needs. Charger amperage is how fast the tap flows. A 2-amp charger is like a dripping faucet, while a 10-amp charger is like blasting the hose on full power. How empty the battery is also matters. Charging from 50% to full is much faster than going from 0% to full. Battery health and temperature play a huge role too. A sick or sulfated battery charges slowly, or not at all, in cold weather. Batteries get lazy in the cold. Here's what you can realistically expect in real-world situations. If you've got a 50% drained 60-amp battery on a 2-amp charger, expect about 15 hours. The same battery on a 10-amp charger takes roughly 3 hours. If the 60-amp battery is completely dead and you're using a 10-amp charger, plan for 6 to 8 hours. A 70-amp truck battery on a 4-amp charger takes about 12 hours. A motorcycle battery, around 10 amps on a 2-amp charger, charges in roughly 5 hours. Now, let's talk about charger types so you know what you're working with. A trickle charger, typically 1 to 2 amps, is super gentle and great for maintaining a battery, not reviving one quickly. Think of it as slow cooking. A smart charger, also called automatic or multi-stage, adjusts charging speed and shuts off automatically. These are safe for beginners and highly recommended. Fast chargers rated 10 amps or more or with a boost mode are great for quick top-ups, but be careful. Too much current for too long can cook the battery in a night, and no one likes battery stew. Before you plug anything in, let's talk safety, because I like my viewers with eyebrows intact. Always charge in a well-ventilated area because batteries release hydrogen gas. Otherwise, you're sitting in a cloud of boom gas. Connect positive first, then negative, and disconnect in reverse. Never charge a frozen battery. If the battery gets hot or starts swelling, stop immediately. If it smells like rotten eggs, that's sulfur gas, so unplug and walk away. Here are some tips. Clean your terminals because corrosion slows charging like bad Wi-Fi. Don't charge below freezing unless you like explosions. Use a smart charger if you don't trust yourself to remember to unplug things. There's no shame in it. I've killed more batteries than I'd like to admit. So, how long does it take to charge a car battery with a 12-volt charger? It depends on battery size, charger speed, how dead it is, and battery health.